Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ewelina and welcome to another Polish lesson. Valentine's Day is just around the corner and I know a lot of you have Polish partners. So I decided to make Polish Valentine's phrases, but of course you can use them every single day. So yeah. We're just gonna get straight to the lesson. I don't have much to tell you unless you want to follow me on my Instagram, because that's where I'm the most active, is on Instagram. The links are down in the description box, or just type it in. It's Ewelina _. Other than that, let's just get into the lesson. So the first, I'm looking down because I have my notes right here, just in case you're wondering. So the first phrase is going to be Valentine's Day. And Valentine's Day in Polish, you say walentynki. 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 All right, then next, you probably already know that word. I taught this word here previously. And if you have a Polish partner, they taught you. And the word is I love you. And I love you in Polish. How do you say it? That is right. Kocham cię. Kocham cię. Kocham cię. Kocham cię. Kocham cię. Kocham cię. And then you can say, how much? Like, how much do you love me? How much? So like how, in Polish, it's more like how strong, if you translate it to like Polish, but it means how much. So in Polish, you say, jak mocno? Jak mocno. Like how strong is your love? Like jak mocno. Jak mocno. Jak mocno? Jak mocno? Jak mocno mnie kochasz? And then you can say this much. Tak mocno. Or you can say tyle. Either or tyle. Tak mocno. Tak mocno cię kocham. Tak malutko cię kocham. Tyle. Either tyle, tak mocno, yeah, either way you can say it, they will understand. And then, or you can say very much, like I love you very much. Bardzo mocno. Bardzo mocno. Bardzo mocno. Bardzo mocno. Very much. Bardzo mocno. Like very strong, kind of, if you translate it to Polish. Bardzo mocno. All right. What else do I have? My darling. My darling. So my darling in Polish, you say moje kochanie. Moje, moje, moje kochanie. Kochanie. Moje kochanie. Moje kochanie. Or you can say kochanie moje. Kochanie moje or moje kochanie. Either way, it's correct. Next, I got heart, because our heart, my heart. Heart in Polish, you say serce. 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 My heart, moje serce. My heart, moje serce. Moje serce. A lot of the times, you might have noticed that in Poland, we use a lot of diminutives. So diminutive for heart is serduszko. 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 You can say moje serduszko, my heart, like my tiny heart. Big heart, but tiny. Serduszko. Serduszko. Next one are flowers, because you might be giving them flowers. And flowers in Polish, you say kwiaty. 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 Or you can ask them, do you like flowers? Lubisz kwiaty? Lubisz kwiaty. Lubisz kwiaty. Lubisz kwiaty? Lubisz kwiaty? Tak, lubię. O, nie za bardzo. No, not really. And then the last one in this series, I have beloved. And beloved in Polish, if it's a guy, you say ukochany. 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 You can say mój ukochany, my beloved. Mój ukochany. Or if it's a girl, you say ukochana. 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 Moja ukochana. Moja ukochana Ewelina. Moja ukochana Kasia. Or mój ukochany Michał. Whatever the name is. Mój ukochany, my beloved. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for today. But I have a little, like a simple poem that you can actually write on the card, like a Valentine's Day card. It's very simple and it rhymes. And it makes more sense in Polish than like when I translate to English. As pretty much any language, when you start translating from one language to another, it just kind of makes sense, but not as much sense. But in that language, to the person in Poland, it will make a lot of sense, and I think it will make them smile. So the little poem goes like this. Kocham cię, kochanie moje. Kocham cię. Wait, hold on, I messed it up. I'm looking right here. Kocham cię, moje kochanie. Kocham cię I już tak zostanie. Again, you can even tell them that actually. It's kind of cute. Kocham cię, moje kochanie. Kocham cię I już tak zostanie. Basically, what it means, kocham cię, I love you. Moje kochanie, my darling. Kocham cię, I love you. I już tak zostanie. And it will stay like this. Like, it will stay like this. And you can add even forever, na zawsze. But yeah, I think this is pretty cool. Do you want to learn a little bit? If you do, or you can just write it down on a little card, or you can actually read it. Like, I'll read it to you, and then you can say like, kocham cię, moje kochanie, kocham cię I już tak zostanie. One more time. Kocham cię. Oh, I'll do it slowly. Kocham cię, moje kochanie. Kocham cię I już tak zostanie. I już tak zostanie. I już tak zostanie. One more time together. Kocham cię, moje kochanie. Kocham cię I już tak zostanie. Alright, you guys, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this little lesson. I had fun. If you did, of course, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this video, to this channel. Share this video with others if you want them to study Polish, and if you want to check out my Instagram, ItsEwelina_. Other than that, we're going to finish right here. Have a beautiful day. Have a beautiful Valentine's Day, but also remember that the best love is the one that we give to ourselves. I love you. Kocham was I do zobaczenia wkrótce. See you very soon. Bye. Cześć. Do widzenia. Bye.